Well, I've done it again. I bought myself a job, kinda. My brother-in-law and his wife own a storage facility. One of his customers had starting to build this and it's been sitting for years and they gave up on it. So I'm taking it over. So it's plan is to, it's got all the goods, stove and sink, propane bottles, lights. A lot of it's been done. There's cabinetry there. Of course, you sleep on the floor here. It's got vinyl flooring. It's got the kitchen piece back here. It's got the metal framework for the door, sink and storage and whatnot. I'll build shelves up there, but so first thing I'm gonna do is pull this paneling off. This obviously can't stay the way it is because it's supposed to hinge right here for the kitchen area. But yeah, this only has a few screws in it. I'm guessing just to hold it down for transport purposes, but I'm gonna pop those off, pull this out. I'm not sure if there's insulation in here or not, but if not, we'll put some in. I'm going to move over and disassemble this. So that little shelf you see right here, that's the footwell for the sleeping area inside. It's only made for a 5'9" tall person. That's what it is, 5'9" front to back. So I'm going to extend this out 6 inches so and over a 6 foot tall person can sleep in here. So I got to cut this wall, notch it out, down, and bring that wall out. It will not affect my refrigerator cooler spacing. There's still enough space to slide that out, so it should be good to go. Basically, all I have to do is move it out, square it up, obviously, which it's not, but anyway, square it up, put a piece on here, and we're good to go. So yeah, now we have a 6'3" person can sleep here. Recap on what's going on. I took this one off, glued it down, and screwed it back on. I ran out of glue, so I can't put the rest of these together. I got this side pulled off, ready for the same treatment, just got to get some glue. So this is just a day of starting and not finishing, which is pretty common for me. So just gotta be able to start and finish all at the same time, and this would be a great progression being made, but I can't seem to do that. Although I have made great progress in making a mess. It cracks me up how messy doing projects is. I'm just got stuff everywhere. So I guess it's time now to clean up. Go. Wasn't a super productive day today, but I did get this little kick out for the sleeping area installed. This panel, got the top piece on there. Got this little switch box cut out, had it mounted up there, but I took it back off because it was just temporary. Had to cut because I had to run a wire down for the refrigerator, the outlet for the ice box, and I ended up, this is getting a panel over it anyway, so it didn't matter. So I just cut through this because there was a piece of 2x material there that I had to drill through. So anyway, ran that all the way from the front. It's now hanging down here with the rest of the wires and the battery. What else did I do? Got that mounted yesterday. I guess that's about it. Yeah. Like I said, not a very productive day today, but actually I had a hot tub to move today, so I was out doing that. But it's slowly coming along. Oh, I picked up insulation. So there it is, right there. Oh, and a couple of vintage chairs to go with the, well, not with the Teardrop, to go with this guy. But so yeah, I got insulation for the roof. I'll be cutting that, installing that. I permanently wired in the lights. Yeah, that's about it for today. Did find a nice scrap piece of wood laying around here that I'm gonna use for the tray for the cooler that'll slide out on the rails. Yeah. Gonna go pick up, I found some butcher block that's about 1.5 inches thick. And of course it's gonna be heavy. It'll add a lot of weight, but this thing's not gonna be that heavy to begin with, and it'll look really cool, I think, a nice big thick of butcher block on there. Plus I need it because I need to raise the sink and stove combination up so that it doesn't hit this. So that was the other reason I needed something pretty thick, 1.5 inches butcher block. It'll look cool, and yeah, there we go. So that's the progress for today. Not a whole lot, but more to come.